Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Looks like I was too bearish in yesterday's video. I said Bitcoin might need breathing room before heading for 106.6K based on the 1-week liquidation heat map. But by the end of the day, price hit that exact level and even pushed slightly beyond it. Some say the move was fueled by news of eased geopolitical tensions, boosting confidence in risk assets. But ETF institutions have been stacking Bitcoin anyway, and market makers likely played their part in driving this rally. After reclaiming the red horizontal zone of past support and resistance, price knocked on the orange dotted resistance at 105.7K, a level that's been capping us since the end of May. After 3 attempts, bulls finally pushed through, and Bitcoin started targeting the yellow horizontal at 106.6K. Just think, 2 days ago we briefly touched 98.2K. Now we're up over 8K. It's been a wild comeback. Looking at the 1-week liquidation heat map, we've clearly hit the expected level. If price consolidates or pulls back, the 3-day heat map shows warm zones forming around 104.2 and 103.4K. Both are below the red horizontal reclaimed today, but a dip that far is unlikely in my opinion. A more realistic support now sits at 105.7K, with a worst-case wick possibly tapping 104.9K. Doubling up with the 2-week heat map, we can already see the next upside target forming. 109.2K is glowing with 949 million in short liquidations. That level could act as the next magnet. Some are talking about the 1-month heat map showing 111.4K. But let's not get ahead of ourselves yet. ETF institutions absolutely crushed retail sellers over the weekend. Since Monday, they've scooped over 350 million in inflows. Today, we've seen at least 152.3 million, and that's without BlackRock's data. If their number is strong again, we might see another day of 250 to 350 million in total inflows. For perspective, the total new issuance of Bitcoin per day is about 450 Bitcoin across 144 blocks, which equals just 47.7 million at current price. Institutions are absorbing multiple weeks' worth of new Bitcoin supply every single day. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.